Every great life tells a story, but you don't need hours to hear it. At LifeSnaps, we bring you powerful biographies of artists, icons, and legends in just minutes. Subscribe now. He's bold. He's unforgettable. From Kingston's vibrant streets to the top of the Billboard charts, Shaggy's voice became one of the most recognizable in music history. With Boombastic, he made us groove. With It Wasn't Me, he took over the world. But behind the platinum hits and the global fame lies a story of discipline, hustle, and heart. This is the untold journey of Shaggy. Let's snap into it. Orville Richard Burrell, the world knows him as Shaggy, was born in Kingston, Jamaica in 1968. Like many island kids, music was always in the air. Reggae, ska, and dancehall echoed through the streets of Kingston, shaping his rhythm from an early age. At just 18 years old, Shaggy moved to Brooklyn, New York. But his Jamaican roots never left him. He brought with him the patois, the culture, and the unmistakable sound of the island. Before fame, Shaggy served in the United States Marine Corps. Stationed in the Gulf War, it was during this time that he discovered the full strength of his voice. Fellow Marines encouraged him to pursue music after hearing that unique baritone that would later take over the world. From Kingston to New York, from soldier to singer, this was the foundation of Shaggy's unstoppable rise. Shaggy's music career kicked off in the early 1990s. In 1993, he released his first hit single, Oh Carolina, a dancehall remake of a ska classic. The song stormed the UK charts, instantly making Shaggy an international name. 2 years later, his 1995 album Boombastic exploded onto the scene. The title track not only went platinum, but also won him his first Grammy Award for Best Reggae Album. Boombastic became more than just a song, it was an anthem. Its playful rhythm and unmistakable bass line put dancehall on the global stage. Through the mid to late 1990s, Shaggy became the voice of crossover reggae. His music was everywhere, from clubs to commercials, and his style, a blend of Jamaican roots and international flavor, set him apart as a pioneer. By the time the new millennium arrived, Shaggy was ready to deliver one of the biggest hits of the 2000s, and his career would never be the same again. In 2000, Shaggy released the album Hot Shot, and with it, a song that would become a cultural phenomenon, It Wasn't Me. The playful anthem, featuring Rick Rock, told a cheeky story of denial and humor that instantly caught fire worldwide. The track topped charts in over 10 countries, including the US Billboard Hot 100, making Shaggy a household name. But he didn't stop there. In the same album, another smash hit followed, Angel, a soulful track that blended reggae, R&B, and pop. Together, these songs pushed Hot Shot to sell over 10 million copies globally. Shaggy's smooth baritone, witty lyrics, and crossover appeal transformed him into one of the few Jamaican artists to dominate mainstream pop. Throughout the 2000s, he continued to release hits like Hey Sexy Lady and Strength of a Woman, proving his staying power in a fast-changing music industry. By now, Shaggy wasn't just a reggae artist, he was a global superstar, bringing Jamaican dancehall to stadiums, award shows, and radio stations across the planet. Behind the fame and hit singles, Shaggy has always stayed grounded. As of 2023, estimates place his net worth between $14 and $20 million, thanks to decades of touring, chart-topping albums, and brand collaborations. But despite his global fame, Shaggy remains deeply connected to his roots. He lives between Jamaica and the United States, balancing the glitz of the music world with a private, family-centered lifestyle. Shaggy is married to Rebecca Packer, a producer, and together they have children. Unlike many celebrities, he often shields his family life from the spotlight, focusing instead on raising them in love and privacy. Beyond music, Shaggy has built a reputation as one of the most generous artists in the Caribbean. His Make a Difference Foundation and annual charity concert, Shaggy and Friends, have raised millions of dollars for Jamaica's Bustamante Hospital for Children. Time and time again, Shaggy has proven that his success is not just about personal gain, but about giving back to the community that shaped him. From Kingston's neighborhoods to Hollywood's red carpets, Shaggy embodies both global stardom and island humility. Shaggy's artistry has always been about balance, fusing the raw energy of dancehall with the polish of pop. His unmistakable baritone voice, playful delivery, and ability to adapt across genres have made him timeless. From reggae to hip-hop, R&B, and even EDM collaborations, Shaggy has kept his sound fresh while never losing his Jamaican identity. In recent years, Shaggy has teamed up with international stars like Sting, proving his creativity continues to evolve. Their joint album 44/876 even won the Grammy for Best Reggae Album in 2019. As for the future, Shaggy shows no signs of slowing down. He continues to tour worldwide, headline festivals, and release new projects that connect with fans old and new. His mission is clear: to keep Jamaican music alive on the global stage and to inspire the next generation of artists to dream as big as he did. From Kingston streets to the Grammy stage, Shaggy has proven that music can cross borders, cultures, and generations. He's not just a dancehall icon, he's a cultural ambassador and a philanthropist whose music and actions have touched millions. Whether it's timeless hits like Boombastic and It Wasn't Me, or his dedication to giving back through the Shaggy Foundation, his impact goes far beyond the charts. Shaggy reminds us that true legends don't just make music, they make history. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you loved diving into Shaggy's story, don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you never miss a beat. Tell us your favorite Shaggy track in the comments. We read them all. And remember, big lives, small snaps. Only here on LifeSnaps.
A crescendo